This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so we did with Contra Voucher in the last class. That is about the banking voucher, where we did all the banking related transaction, that is deposit, withdraw, and transfer. So today, for example, you have put 1 lakh rupees in your account to send it to somebody else. Okay, and so whatever you have put that account to, you have put the amount 1 lakh is your deposit. So you do a contra voucher for it. For whom you are sending it. For example, you are sending 1 lakh to your creditor, that is from the person you have purchased for the payment, and that becomes a payment voucher. Just a second. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we went through daybook, but I believe I did not give you any notes on daybook. So you can just take down the heading as daybook. Daybook. It is a report where you can view day-to-day transactions. All the transactions will be visible day-wise. F2. So you can also take just take a look on the notes. You don't have to write down. F2 to change the date. Alt F2. F2 to select a date. Alt F2 to select a period. You can just take a note. Don't take this procedure. Deepika and Niharika, you don't get 5 marks, you get 3 marks because you were supposed to send before the class. Okay, next is the payment voucher. All your payables are recorded in this voucher. So you can see here the syntax, that is the rule in payment voucher is first will be debit and then will be credit. So you are always supposed to put all your expenses account, that is your expenses ledgers, in the debtor, and cash or bank, that is whom you are paying, that is which bank, from which bank you are paying, or you are paying it through cash, that will be there in the credit, because payment, that means the amount is always going from you. So that is why it's under payment voucher. Just take a note. Class, remember, I'm not taking attendance in the class. I'll be taking through your recording. So that's how I take attendance. And then we can tally it someday. Okay, so all your payables will be there in your payment voucher. So the first question, okay, just take a look of this. So it's about what all kind of payments you can do, just examples.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I had a doubt in the contra entry thing. I prepared all the entries, ma'am, but I'm not understanding how to get all the entries at one place to send the picture in group.
Alt F2, go to daybook, go to daybook,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Alt F2 you did. You got dates.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You got the list.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now take down the questions. Okay, take down these 3 questions first. I'll give you 3 more. Please put 1 if you're done. At least 2 or 3 of you put, then I get a confirmation that you're done taking and I can change the slide. Okay. Okay. And this slide. Okay, take down these. Class, you're not able to see what is that you're able to see payment voucher, paid rent, what, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, class. Done. We can continue with the problem. So payment voucher. Okay. So first question says paid rent rupees 30,000 and commission of rupees 20,000 by cash. We'll not put this into conclusion like for Jainagar. We'll just do that. So you go to vouchers, F5, payment voucher. So as I don't have any ledgers here, you might have ledgers to your right. So first thing is commission and rent, correct? Alt C create. You can just press there create. Commission under what is the amount? 30,000, 22,000 commission. 2,000. So here you can put the Jainagar cost center if you require, like here Bangalore, under that Jainagar. 2,000, enter. Again, see, you will get DR, that you will get CR credit, you will get. You need two entries. So you will do this as debit. Alt C. $30,000. Bangalore. Jainagar. Credit, cash, automatically 32,000. Paid, or you can also give paid through cash, anything. Do it, class. If you have doubt, you can ask me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, can you please show it again? How do we get the cost centers?
When you press commission, after you do enter, you're not getting cost centers. Like you give commission
No, ma'am.
2,000. See here, you do enter. Enter. After you do enter here, after 2,000, it is not asking you for cost category cost centers.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then do F12. One second. Here, see enable cost centers. F11. Enable cost centers. Do that, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Here also you have show cost center details, F12. There if it is yes, here automatically it will get yes.
Ma'am, is it F11 or F12?
Both. In F11 also you have cost center activation. You have to do there yes first and then here. Show cost center
Okay, ma'am.
details.
Ma'am, in this thing, in both F11 and F12, it's not showing up, ma'am, the cost centers option.
See above that there is an option called show all. See here show more
Yes, ma'am.
configurations. Do that
Yes,
yes.
ma'am. Okay.
Okay, do it class. After that, next question. Furniture with cost 20,000 was purchased at the cost of rupees 18,000 through check. So here we will not we have to give into discount price, but we will for now take only as 18,000. Don't take this into conclusion. This particular problem we will also do in future when I go to the discount part. Okay, you just take furniture account 18,000, ICICI Bank 18,000. So go to ICICI Bank. I'll just put some amount in the opening balance as it is to negative balance. Do it class, everyone. done purchase sales Wipro, sales in Wipro under investment. Do all the I mean, if it is in compound entries, do a compound entry only. Here, paid in advance, you can just ignore this advance just to do main traders. About these advance discount and all, we'll come back to these problems again. Once done, put one, at least one or two, and then I can continue with the next topic. Give you 5 more minutes to do it, and we'll continue with the next topic. Are you all done, class? Okay. The next topic is about bills. Before we go to any other vouchers, I'll just tell you about bills. So, what is a bill? A bill is where anything you get for a purchase, okay? A proof for a purchase is a bill, correct? Electronic, a standardized form of a bill is an invoice. That is what you are creating it in Tally. Now, when I say, for example, I'll just give you an example of 100 chairs, okay? From Radhika, I am buying 100 chairs from her at rupees 1 lakh rupees. Okay. So what I will tell her, today is 7th. So I am telling her, I'll take the chairs. I'll give you the amount on 7th of October. So what is that? The goods is being received. Okay. Payment to be made on 7th October. That is what a yeah, invoice will be giving me, telling goods delivered, amount to be paid on 7th October. So that is a new reference bill. I repeat, where you have taken the um, goods, but the amount is supposed to pay in the future date. It is a new reference bill made for a purchase or a sale. So it is the vice versa, other way. So I go on 7th October, you don't take it personal, literal meaning. So on 7th October, I am doing the payment. So she gives me a bill telling amount paid for the goods taken on so and so invoice date, invoice number and invoice date. So for the new reference created, Radhika is creating another bill for it. So that is what is a against reference bill. For a new reference bill, you're creating another bill, that is the against reference bill. So I repeat, new reference bill is where you create a bill for the first purchase where the amount is yet to be paid. The goods is delivered, the amount to be paid in the future date. Your credit purchase, credit sales. So where on the particular date where the transaction is completed, that means where the payment is made for the goods taken, that is the against reference bill. Okay. New reference bill. For a new reference bill, you're doing another bill is called a against reference bill. And then I go to her, I give her 1 lakh and then take the 100 shares and come. So that is where she gives a bill telling goods delivered, amount paid. That is on account bill. On account bill is where the goods is taken, the amount is received. So amount paid, goods taken. So that is where it's a on account bill, where the transaction is completed. There is no one more transaction for this because it is complete transaction. Okay. Cash purchase, cash sales. And then I give her 1 lakh rupees today and tell her to give me the goods on 7th of October. So that is a advance bill where she says amount paid, goods to be delivered on so and so date. That is the advance bill. So I repeat, new reference bill, which is the first bill which is created where goods is delivered, amount to be paid. Against reference bill created for the purchase done in the new reference bill, previous purchase, previous sales. And then where the goods is paid, goods is delivered, amount is paid as on account bill. And where amount is paid and goods delivered on future date is the advance bill. No, I did not present. Now I will do it. Okay, just take down this. Everyone, it's an important topic here in Tally to know. If you do not understand these bills, and you will not be able to solve the further invoices. So I'm telling you, this is very important point, because these are where you'll be putting all the bills in the future invoices. Take down, put as under note and take down this. Any doubts, class, on these bills? Are you done? Just put 1 if you're done. Go to the next topic. And also take down, just go through this the same, just in a point it is. Varsha, you're there? Varsha, you're present? Varsha is absent. Arya, you're there? Varsha, can you please show me what you're doing, what you're working on? Can you show me the payment vouchers you've done? Suchita, you're there? Sujita is present. I want you to show me the payment vouchers you're doing. You have done payment vouchers. I want you to show me that. Either you take a picture and send it, or I'll do you the presenter. You can share your screen and show. You choose the option. Chaitra MS. You don't answer me or don't message at least a message, you'll be marked as absent. That means you've just switched on the class and you're not there in the class. Sabha, I did not call your name, dear. Tanu. And class, please put your complete names from tomorrow onwards when you are logging in. Please put your complete names because that's how I'm taking to your attendance. If your name is not found in my list, you will be marked as absent. Yeah, that's okay. I'm telling you, Tanu, Varsha, your complete names are the same. You don't have any initial or anything. I have really, okay, some other day when you have good network, you can show me. Please put your full names and keep the same name every day. Yesterday, last two classes, there were little changes in the names for the attendance. Okay, write your full name with your initial, the same thing how you want, because in the list, if I don't find your full name, and then you will be marked absent. So Tanu, Rakshita, Advika, Varsha P, she's put now. So please put your full name. If that is your full name, then okay. Okay. Okay, class. No doubt in bills, right? New reference bill, against reference bill, on account bill, and advance bill. So we'll go to the next voucher. Payment voucher, I don't think you've come across this, right? Directly went to questions. Just make a note somewhere about the payment voucher, about this, the syntax, this part, no, this part is important. Just make a note of this. And all the payables or cash in bank should be recorded in this voucher. This one sentence and this syntax. Take down this. Okay, one second. Now is it visible? Take down this part. All payables, either cash or bank, must be recorded in this voucher, and the syntax part. Okay. Next you have is receipt voucher. Receipt voucher is all your receivables. It is the other way of payment voucher, where you did all your payables. In receipt voucher, we'll be doing all our receivables. So same way here, whatever is there in debit will be there in credit. Whatever is there in credit will be there in debit in the payment voucher. As here in syntax, you can see in payment voucher, first is debit and then is credit. In receipt vouchers, it is the other way. The syntax first credit, then debits. That is why whatever you can see here is the same, but debit, whatever you put it in debit, you put your credit, and other vice versa in receipt voucher. All your receivables, so received, basically whatever you're sold. Okay, when you sell, you receive cash. So that is how receipt vouchers will be made. And you're receiving rent, receiving commission, same way, whatever you paid in the payment voucher, we'll receive it in the receipt voucher. Please take this note. Done now. Same thing, we'll solve some problems on this. Take down these problems. Rent received rupees 5,000 and commission of rupees 5,000 by cash. Five thousand. You give 5,000 by cash. JP Nagar, right? Okay, do it. Do all the problems. You've already taken, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems. You take this and solve them. Another 4 I'll give you. Once you're done with that, you're supposed to solve this. Um, So you can see received in the last problem, you can see received interest rupees 2000 on 2nd of every month. So you have two options. Either you can do change the date every month, second, and do, or 2 into 12, 24,000 together on 2nd of April, you do a function. So you can do any one of them. Any doubts, class? I don't hear anything from you. So I believe you all have understood and you're working on. Give you 5 minutes to finish this and we'll go with the next function. Class, do it. Once done, put 1, 2. You don't respond to me. Just put 1 and 2 if you're done. At least 2, 3 of you, and then I can continue with the next topic. Let me know if I'm fast and you're not able to follow me. Anything you want me to explain again, I can do it for you.
Excuse me, mom.
Tell me.
Ma'am, the cost center option, I'm getting it on the right-hand side, but not below the entries.
It's okay. You are getting it. No, it's okay. The version might be different in Tally, so that is the reason. It does not matter.
Okay, ma'am.
If you are able to apply that, is enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Jai Shri Bibi, you're there? Jai Shri, how many problems are you done with? Jai Shri is absent, is it? Jai Shri Bibi, absent. Rahizia Sultan, please correct me if I'm pronouncing your name wrong.
Razia, ma'am.
Razia, okay. How many problems have you done with?
I've done with almost all, ma'am.
Okay, no doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Sabha, Sabha, Imli, Mm. Do it, class. I'll give you 5 more minutes. Everybody is able to do? I'll give you a set of questions which are related to these three vouchers. Okay, and I want you to solve them. Don't want to give you tomorrow. We can finish a little more points and then give you this assignment. Not report. You're done? Okay, class. Now, once you're so you have done about Contra Voucher, that is banking transaction. All the bank related vouchers you have recorded in Contra Voucher. And then we did payment voucher where all the payables were recorded in payment voucher. And then we did is the receipt voucher. All the receivables were recorded in the uh, receipt voucher. Now next, the voucher is where you cannot put the transaction under these three, that is the other three vouchers, we'll put them in the journal voucher. Journal voucher, we call it as an adjustment voucher, where the vouchers where here you cannot put them in contra voucher, payment voucher or receipt voucher. We'll be doing that in the journal voucher. Journal voucher is the adjustment voucher where maybe you can go like appreciation. Please mute yourself, Maria. Maria, this happens when you switch on the classroom and you're somewhere else. She don't even know that I'm calling her name. She's not hearing to the class. Okay. Okay. So I'll just share my screen. That is called the journal voucher. It is referred to adjustment voucher. All types of transaction can be entered in this voucher except cash and bank related. So main transactions are appreciation, depreciations, receivable, payables, where you have some changes to be done in these transactions. So transfer of cash from one capital account to another partner's capital account will be done in this journal voucher. Okay, F7 is the shortcut key. Okay, just take down this. You can underline adjustment voucher or write it in double inverted. Class, we'll take the functions. I mean, you take the problems, but what I want you to do is I want you to do more 10 payment vouchers and more 10 receipt vouchers and send me in the group before the class, before the next class. And now take these questions for journal entries. 5. I'll give you 2 more after this. Take down this. Okay, you've already taken, no? So not required. You can just take down these two questions. Class, any doubts? No doubts?